Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have a great product to feature for you. It is a razor trimmer accessory. It is by the brand Medimama, and it comes in a pink or white version, depending on what color you like. This is the box it basically comes in. If you are new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please do hit that subscribe button, and then if you find this video helpful, hit that like and share buttons. Alright, so what all you get when you open the box. First off, you get some instructions if you need those. You're going to get the trimmer itself. Then you get, in addition to the head that's on it, you get two more attachments, which we'll go over here in a minute. And then you get a little cleaning brush. So the first attachment is just a general razor. Now this razor is designed mainly for women, so to help shave your legs, your bikini area, but men can also use it for shaving, around their face and whatnot. It's not really designed, if you're going to take this and shave your whole legs with this, it's going to take a long time. They kind of suggested that you could do that, but I think that's kind of probably going to be ridiculous. So it's more meant for trimming. So that's what this is, just a general shaver. This is an eyebrow attachment, which you can see it has two different lengths, one for the shorter and then one for a longer attachment here. And then you have here the traditional trimmer, which this plastic piece comes on and off. So if you want to just trim some hair versus getting our more fine details, that's kind of the option. So it has lots of options for you. Now, as far as how the battery works, you just twist this and you pull straight down, and it takes a single AA battery. And you just slide that on there, line up the arrows, and then close it back up again. Now to change the heads out, same thing. There's a line and a little arrow, twist it, take it off, and then line up the new arrows and then put it back on. So, and then to power it up, you just twist it and it's good to go. You can hear it working away. So, like I said, this is a great little razor. Summer is around the corner, so it is going to be bikini season for you ladies. And then, of course, if you're a guy, it's great for trimming around the face. So, like I said, feel free to hit me up in the comment section if you got any questions or comments, and I'll include a link below if you want to check out the product on Amazon, see if it's the right fit for you. And then that's it. Till the next video, you guys take it easy. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.